One of the most important coverages that needs to be added on your home insurance policy is called guaranteed or extended replacement cost dwelling. This endorsement will help you in the event that you have a total loss or a major loss and you do not carry enough dwelling coverage in order to rebuild or replace your home. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, the owner at the Crowley Insurance Agency, where we make insurance easy with honesty and common sense. We have all seen how construction prices, especially materials, has increased over the last 2 years. The rapid rise of inflation is bad for your home insurance policy because your home insurance coverages don't rise and fall with inflation at that level. This is why it's extremely important to have the endorsement guaranteed or extended replacement cost dwelling on your home insurance policy. This endorsement can give you up to at least 25% more on your dwelling coverage if needed when rebuilding or replacing your house on a total loss. It's also very important that you review your dwelling coverage, especially after we've seen this large increase, to make sure that even with this endorsement, you have enough coverage in the event you do have that fire or major loss. We've seen over the years that the rise of inflation that is built into a home policy isn't enough compared to real life inflation. So your dwelling coverage or your replacement cost needs to be tweaked or changed even before so, and then this endorsement is used basically for when there is those higher spikes in the cost of construction. So make sure you review your policy to see what you have for your dwelling coverage and that you have this endorsement added in. Reach out to your insurance agent to review this because a lot of times it is not spelled out on your home insurance policy. It is built in. It's built into the specific insurance carriers, platforms or forms. So you may not be able to see it. You need to ask your insurance carrier agent to see what's built in specifically on your policy. If you don't have an agent, you need a new agent because you can't get a hold of yours or want a review of your policy, feel free to reach out to the team at Crowley Insurance. You can send us an email, give us a call, or fill out one of the forms that is probably linked somewhere near this video. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.